5. Tempo 5, the favorite, and the gate. All set. And they're off. Credit Only broke sharp for Brian Hernandez Jr. Here's Credit Only going out to an easy lead from Tempo 5. Citizen is right there. First run since the Preakness for General Quarters, who's close for Jose Riquelme too. Then we come back to Success. Discreet Street and Kissin' Child is dropped back to last. Credit Only, the leader, heading to the half-mile pole. Credit Only leads General Quarters by 3.5 lengths to an opening quarter and 21-4. Citizen third as they enter the far turn. The favorite Tempo 5 is next. This is 3 furlongs out. Discreet Street comes up nearest the rail. Kissin' Child now relegates Success to last. Now in the shadow of the quarter pole. Credit Only in front by 2. General Quarters looms on the outside. A couple of furlongs to go. Credit Only turns them in. General Quarters, Tempo 5 charging on the far outside. Citizen toward the rail, Discreet Street, then Kissin' Child, and Success. In this final Fairgrounds furlong, Credit Only still just clings on. Tempo 5 charging on the outside. General Quarters between horses. Tempo 5, General Quarters, Credit Only, James Graham, and Tempo 5 first. Tempo 5 by 3/4 of a length, we'll say. Second close, second real close.